Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of compact drones with a review of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Is this tiny flyer the only drone you'll ever need? Let's find out. We'll cover everything from the design and features to the flying experience and image quality. First impressions? This thing is sleek. Absolutely sleek. DJI has really outdone themselves with the design. It's incredibly compact, fitting easily in the palm of your hand. Seriously, it's amazing how much tech they've packed into such a small package. The build quality feels solid, made with premium materials. And the overall aesthetic is premium. The attention to detail is evident everywhere you look. Now, let's talk specs, because they're important. The Mini 5 Pro boasts a fantastic camera, capable of shooting stunning 4K video at up to 60 FPS and capturing incredible photos. You've got options for different frame rates, too, giving you more creative control over your footage. It has a significantly improved image quality compared to previous Mini models, with noticeably better low-light performance. Thanks to its larger sensor and improved processing, you'll be able to capture incredibly detailed photos and videos. Perfect for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. The battery life is also impressive. You can get around 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge under ideal conditions, which is fantastic for a drone this size. This allows for more time in the air, capturing those perfect shots. Plus, the drone comes with several intelligent flight modes, making it easier than ever to get professional-looking results. Let's get into the good stuff: the flying experience. The Mini 5 Pro is incredibly easy to fly, even for those who are new to drones. The controls are intuitive, and the drone is very responsive, reacting immediately to your commands. It handles wind quite well for its size, which is a huge plus, meaning you can still get great shots even in less than perfect conditions. DJI's obstacle sensing technology has also been improved, making the drone even safer to fly. This means it can detect and avoid obstacles in its path, reducing the risk of crashes. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to get this drone up in the air and capture amazing footage in no time. Of course, no product is perfect, and we always strive to provide a balanced review. One potential downside is the price. The Mini 5 Pro is an investment, sitting in the mid-range of drone prices. But considering the features and performance, it's definitely worth it. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Another point to consider is the limited range compared to larger drones. But that's a trade-off for its compact size. However, for most casual users, the range will be more than sufficient for their needs. The range is more than adequate for most recreational uses. Here are some simple tips to get you started. First, always calibrate your drone before flying. This helps ensure proper function. Second, familiarize yourself with the DJI Fly app. It's packed with features like Quick Shots and Master Shots, which can help you create amazing videos. And third, practice in an open area before flying in more complex environments to get a feel for the controls and the drone's behavior. Consider using the simulator mode in the DJI Fly app to practice beforehand. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the only drone you'll ever need? For many people, the answer is a resounding yes. It offers an incredible balance of portability, performance, and ease of use. The image quality is outstanding, and the flying experience is top-notch. If you're looking for a high-quality drone that's easy to take anywhere and captures incredible footage, the Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice. It's perfect for travel, capturing family memories, or even just exploring your local area from a unique perspective. It's also a great option for content creators looking to add aerial shots to their videos. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro earns a solid recommendation. It's a fantastic drone that delivers on its promises, providing an accessible and enjoyable experience for users of all levels. I hope this review has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews, drone tips, and all things tech. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.